In this video, I'll show you how to earn free credits on Lovable. One of the easiest ways to earn free credits is through the referral program. Open Lovable and sign in to your account. Then, click the Share Lovable option to generate your personal referral link. Copy your referral link and share it with your friends or audience. When someone signs up using your link, you may earn free credits. You may also receive additional rewards if they upgrade to a paid plan. Another way to get free credits is by using the daily credits available on the free plan. Click your profile icon in the bottom left corner, then open Settings and go to the Credits section. Here, you can check how many free credits you have available. These credits reset every day, and any unused credits won't roll over to the next day. You can also visit the Documentation page to learn more about the free plan limits and how the credit system works. And that's how you can earn free credits on Lovable.